All right, 1961 Mercedes-Benz 190 SL. What a pretty car. Very straight body panels. Good door gaps. Car sits nice. Chrome is in good condition. See how straight the body is. I'll get close-ups of the gaps here in a minute. Again, chrome is very nice. Good even gaps on the hood and the nose of the car. Look how straight and even that is. Correct engine for this car. All the data plates are still there. Moldings are in good condition. Paint on the hubcaps are in good condition except for one. Again, good body gaps, good door gaps. Seams are all here. Good molding pieces. This is the hubcaps that's missing some paint. Not a bondoed up car. Good sheet metal. Top's in good condition. No tears. Body gaps are good again. Top, nice gaps, correct seams. I'll put the top down, I'll open the engine compartment, we'll do it running, show you the truck. All right, once again, 1961 190 SL, top down. Car sits straight, sits nice. Beautiful car. Have a nice dash. Clock even works. Clock's there and it works. No cracks on that dash. Good gauges. Good sun visors. Steering wheel's in good shape, as are the seats and carpets. See the condition of the dash. Let's see how well this car starts. Well, it doesn't start much better than that. Data plate. Correct original carburetors, air cleaners, data plates again. I'll open up the trunk and show you the trunk. All right, here we are in the trunk. Hopefully we can get adequate light. Show you that it's not a rusty trunk. Clean everything is. A little surface rust. Always rust down in these holes. And it is in good shape. I don't think I'm going to get enough light to show you. We'll do a driving. All right, good strong motor, tight shifts.